Hi guys. What's up? I am Mr. Creator. In my last video, I was talking about world's 20 most subscribed YouTube channels. So today I am talking about how to download a YouTube video in one click on your PC. If you are a newcomer to my channel, please subscribe me. Let's go to the video. First, open Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and search ssyoutube.com. Then, comes a website like this. Click on Install in the top of website and click on Download. The setup file is downloading. Download completed. Let's open it. Right. Then we can install it by follow these steps safely. Then comes a message like this. Click on Add. Click on OK. Got it. Let's check it. OK. It is worked correctly. If you want to download a video, click on download icon. I download this video. The video is downloading. If you are a newcomer to my channel, please subscribe me. The video is downloaded. Let's check it. Okay, now you can see. The video is playing without any issue. This is the end of this video. If you are learned something from this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe me. Okay, goodbye. Stay safe.